Hello folks. So in this video I wanted to talk about something interesting that I noticed recently. A lot of people would have noticed this or maybe not. So the first thing is this, right? Like this, you can actually see a water bottle over here, right? So it has something inside it over here, like some netted thing, right? Apparently this is an extra thing that people put inside water bottles. I actually noticed this, one of them in my offices. One of these water bottles had this was not just hanging like this was totally inside the bottle, like bottom, at the bottom, right? And I was just wondering, what is this extra thing that they're putting inside the bottle? And it has some ventilation and all that. It's like a small compartment with ventilation, and it's transparent. And today also I noticed it in my hostel. Someone had it. I asked them, do you know what it is? They said they don't. And then I asked them, do they mind if I take a picture? And even before asking them all this, I was just wondering, what would this be for? And then I realized, like, it has ventilation and it's transparent and it's inside the water bottle. So I was just wondering, is it possible that they'll put something inside this compartment which has ventilation that gets infused into the water, probably something like a fruit? And apparently that is the case. And you can actually, I think, put anything. Like, you can even put a vegetable. Basically it's called an infuser, right? And it's a popular idea to actually drink more water, I think, right? Or any kind of liquid wherein you want to infuse some, say, fruits or vegetables or anything like that. What is the benefit of like using this kind of bottle versus a normal bottle and then just put your fruits in it? Well, when you drink the water, it's possible that the okay, so I'm back. So what's the point of like this infuser and like this special kind of bottle? Why can't you just put it in your normal water bottle? Well, if you put your say fruits and vegetables in your normal water bottle, while you drink the water, it will come along with it and it will actually hinder you from drinking the water, right? Let me actually fix the timer on this one. Let's make it 2 hours or something. Yeah. So and a lot of water bottles also have a big mouth, so it can easily come out. And if it has a small mouth, you can't even put your fruits and vegetables inside it. You'll probably have to infuse them outside the water bottle and then like have it for some time and then put it inside the water bottle, right? Put the water inside it, the infused water. Apparently the idea is basically for you to drink more water, you might want to have more flavor in it. Like, I can drink normal plain water, but then some people like fruit infused water wherein they have some fruit flavor, say watermelon, or even something like leaves, green leaves like mint, and say if you want, you can have lemon, but that would just become lemon juice, I think, to some extent. And what else? You can have even vegetables, say carrot and all that. Like, basically if you want to infuse anything, I think only fruits will get infused though, because fruits, they have some level of sugar flavor, natural sugars, and they'll just mix up with water. I don't know how much of vegetables will get mixed up with water, like how much they'll infuse with water. So yeah, if you just have a normal water bottle, if you put it inside, it'll just come out and whatnot. If you put it inside this specific small container, it'll just remain inside the container, but then it has ventilation for the water to go in and come out so that the infusion happens, right? And you can easily remove it out also and put it back in and whatnot, instead of like having to get to the bottom of the bottle to get the fruits out, or completely empty the bottle and whatnot, and to get the fruits or whatever you put inside out, right? If you want to infuse something else, I don't know how it's gonna be like. These these holes in the or the ventilation in these infusers are pretty big. If they're more smaller, maybe you can put more stuff, I don't know, right? More smaller stuff and whatnot, or else you'll have to just put bigger stuff like big fruit pieces and whatnot. You can actually see other versions of these infusers. You can actually see over here that there's an infuser over here for this whole bottle. There's an infuser here, and then infusers here with blueberries, right? I think this one is lemon, right? So this one is pomegranate and this one is blueberries again. So I think it's a popular idea, infusers. I think this is probably a popular idea for people who want to drink flavored water, or people who just want to be healthy. And like nowadays being healthy is a trend or a cool thing, right? So I guess people will want to use something like this. Interesting. I have not seen an infuser like this. Anyways, I think there are like different kinds of infusers, but mostly I've seen this only, right? So you can actually see that there are like lot of infusers. So you can actually see cucumbers over here. I think I've usually seen cucumbers and whatnot. Basically, you can try to find out what and all people use in these are called apparently detox water bottles or infuser detox water bottle and whatnot, fruit infuser and whatnot, or fruit and I don't know what is this, fruit and tea infuser glass water bottle, right? Any kind of infuser basically. And you can actually find out bottle with infuser, right? So the term is called infuser. Probably go check it out, and you should be able to find a lot of bottles with this. So it's loading for some time. Yeah, so you can see over here how they have I think this is cucumber. I don't know if this is tomatoes or what. And I think these are strawberry and lemon, right? So yeah, I mean, you can actually find all of these. So you can see the infuser. So they have lemons, watermelon, mint and whatnot, and then they close it up, put it inside the bottle, and then you're done, right? And then now you can just put water in it and it'll get infused in it, right? So it'll just start soaking up the natural sugars and the flavors and whatnot. It's just a normal water bottle, but it has some flavor. So it looks pretty cool and it feels pretty nice, right? The only thing to note is you probably have to cut up some fruits, and not too much, just a little, and put them in. I don't know what you would do with the remaining of the fruit. Probably just eat it up. So yeah. So this is an interesting thing that I noticed. So I just wanted to talk about it. So yeah, I wanted to show you folks how it looks like and what's an infuser. So I think I've done my job. I've shown you what it is like. And yeah, that's all I had for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.